I'm sure we're taller, another dimension. You say we're small and not worth the mention. You're tired of moving, your body's aching. We could vacate, there's places to go. Clearly this isn't all that there is. Can't take what's been given, but we're so okay here, we're doing fine.
This is just the beginning.
You know, confidence is not just ribbons or flowers in your hair. There's a kind of glow that comes with understanding yourself, which I believe you have.
Wait until tonight, man, when this place gets packed with record execs. We're playing the Orpheum. I can't even count how many bands have played here and then ended up being huge.